Alright, the next video in the series, taking off the turbo. Turbo's off, everything is off, ready to go. The unpacking of this, I've just looked at it once, but let's start seeing. Always have a good layout, just like in the military. Lay out your stuff in order. Hopefully it'll make it easier. Try to have lots of room. Alright, I already took this out. That, and maybe instructions or something. I don't know, is it instructions? Instructions! That ain't instructions. And, nothing else. Okay, get rid of that stuff, right? Get rid of that stuff. So, the big deal, I like doing stuff on carpet, much easier on these, so big deal is here. Hey. Hot with this, just to transfer over parts. Don't need that. Transfer over parts. So let's see what you got going here. Alright. Got parts in there. Alright, so we do have to move some things. Take off some stuff. Put it around. Can you tell if one is bigger? I think it is bigger. It says it's bigger. Yeah, there's a little, still the housing, but that is definitely bigger. Whatever that is. Alright, so we gotta move. Oh no, what is that? Hey, Winston, how are you? Alright? Good. Winston. And then, yeah, that's little, and that's definitely bigger. Alright, so we gotta move that, and move these, and move that. Is that like, I don't know. Alright, we got some stuff. It's not gonna get confusing. No, it will not. Slow and smooth, right? So we got it. Good. Alright, we'll leave it right there, and pray.